What's up, everybody? My name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. If you're new to the channel for the first time, thanks for clicking on my video. It means the world to me. If you're a continued subscriber and watching my content, thank you. I appreciate it. Today's video is just going to be an unboxing. There's a YouTuber that I follow that she follows my channel, and she sent me a few fragrances to try out. So I'm going to show you them, and I hope you enjoy this video. Before we start this video, I would like to know what your scent of the day is, whether you're a guy or a girl. So please, ladies and gentlemen, what is your scent of today? And my scent of today is the new YSL Eau de Parfum by the company Y. Yves Saint Laurent. My scent of the day. What is your scent of the day? Leave a comment below letting me know and tell me why you're wearing your fragrance today. I'm still testing this fragrance out, ladies and gentlemen, and I have a full review up coming really soon, so please be patient. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video of fragrances. There's a YouTuber that I follow on my channel. Her name is Alexis. I'm going to leave her link down below in the description of her channel. She's an awesome YouTuber. She works 2 jobs, and she does fragrance reviews. She tests men's fragrance reviews out on herself, which is cool. It's a little bit different, but then she gives you the backstory about it on her channel, and I encourage her and I enjoy her doing that, and her reviews are amazing. I appreciate it. I'm gonna leave a link below to her channel so you can check her channel out. I'd like to thank Alexis for sending me a couple fragrances to unbox and test out on my channel. It's very kind of her to do that for free, and I enjoy that, and trust me, this means the world to me, Alexis. Thank you. And I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys, ladies and gentlemen, what's in the box. So here we go. Hold on one second. Here's the box. Scissors. Here we go. The moment I've been waiting for. There's a note inside. Chris from Alexa. And the note says, "Dear Chris, aka Mr. Fragrance." My real name's Chris, but everybody calls me Mr. Fragrance. That's just my YouTube name to make it real simple. She's giving me a real, I hope this package finds you well, good, healthy. I'm having including the following bottles. So a couple fragrances here. It's pretty good for her to do that. I'm just going to show you the fragrances. I don't want to read this out. She sent me this letter. So I want to thank you, Alexis, for sending this fragrance box to me. I appreciate it a lot. You know, you don't owe me this at all. I really appreciate it. And I'd like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for sending these out to me. I appreciate it a lot. So I want to get right to it, show you guys what's in the box. I just want to let her know that this means the world to me. I don't really ask nobody for anything. I buy my own fragrances and I review on my channel, and I do giveaways because I want people to be able to try a fragrance out and see if they like it before they buy it. Or I give away fragrances that I don't use, because if I don't use it, I want to put the good use for another person to try the fragrance or be happy. Whether you're a fragrance reviewer or just a person that likes fragrances or just want to smell good. That's what I do. That's what my channel is about. So let's get into these fragrances. Aqua de Parma. Cologne. Awesome. See inside? A little sample of it. Aqua de Parma. I heard good things about this company, but I haven't tried it myself. I definitely need to try this out. And a review will come for this fragrance soon once I get a chance. I got other fragrances I'm reviewing now, but this review will come soon. Sorry about that cut right there, but there's a lot of fragrances in there, so I'm just gonna unbox it now and show you the rest of them. I had to cut some of them open, but here we go. Some of the pink stuff that came in at the bubble wrap. And she sent me, oh yeah, tonka bean. Never tried this brand or the fragrances. I'm definitely going to give this a try and see how it is. If you guys know about this brand, leave a comment below. Let me know if it's a good brand or not. So, it smells really good. And she got me, oh man, Alexander fragrances. Smell this, see how it smells. It smells pretty good. And she got me some samples here. And I'm going to tell you these samples, what they are right here. She gave me a list. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see, this note here tells you the samples too on it. She had got me samples of Parfums de Marly Ojan, which is a great fragrance. I smelled that fragrance before. It's amazing. Bond number 9. I Love New York. Mason Mary Replica Music Festival. Parfum Vintage Pineapple Vintage Intense. Roja Man by Killian Gold Night. Frederick Amal Music Ravagin, I guess. So, I'd like to thank Alexis for sending me these fragrances to review. I appreciate it a lot. I don't ask nobody for anything at all. My reviews are strictly straight to the point. I buy these fragrances and I review them. I appreciate her sending me these fragrances for reviews and tell people about them, and she wants to hear my opinion. If you don't mind, ladies and gentlemen, please check out her channel. I'll leave a link below where you can check it out. She does a lot of great stuff. She works hard. She has a job just like I do, but she works 2 jobs. So she works 2 jobs and put out YouTube videos. So more power to her. I want to God bless her for giving me these fragrances to try out. You know, it's hard buying fragrances every single week, spending money for it. You know, right now I'm not getting any paid money by YouTube yet. Soon I will be, hopefully, maybe a little bit of money to buy fragrances, but I don't depend on that. This channel is just to help you, ladies and gentlemen, to find out what fragrances you want to try out and what fragrances that are out now you can try out and smell good. That's it. That's my job, and my other job is to help you feel confident wearing a fragrance and hopefully get compliments down the road. If you do like men's fragrance reviews, unboxes, and free giveaways when I do giveaways, please consider hitting that like button and the subscribe button so you'll be notified when new fragrances come out on my channel and giveaways, and click the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new fragrance reviews. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys have a nice weekend. Peace.